Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, IU Analytics Academy. In today's video, we are going to explore the latest Power BI card. We will learn how to format the card, add image, customize background color, and apply borders. So let's get started. So you can see the one which you are seeing in my screen, okay, with a card and flash. If you click on that, it will show you this option. So you can just add here sales, profit, quantity, and if you need a orders also, you can add orders. If you need an order ID also, you can add it. So currently I'm using only three. So in this, first you need to have this title. So the format pan is here. You just need to click on this and you can have this title. So once after doing this, if you want to give a color shades for this background, so you just need to go here into the format part and you need to go to the cards. Inside this card, you can just go down and scroll a bit. You will find background color. You just need to drop down this and select here fill color. So whichever the color you want to fill it, you can fill it from here. So the first option is this. Suppose in case if you have any color codings, then you can use that also. So for example, I'm just going to show you. So if I'm using any one color like this, it will show me the background color in this way. So this is first step. In case if you don't want this color, then you can just give your color codings also. So you just need to click on more colors and then you can give the color code here. So if you want to apply the same color or any specific color, you can just write the code here. Like I'm just writing a random code FD 9843. And this is used in our dashboard. So like this, you can add it and you can just click out of this. It will automatically apply. And if you want to add a border also, you can just expand this border. You can change the color into white and you can just give it 4 so that it looks very clear. So in case if it is not visible, then change the background color of this report view. So for example, I'm just using here gray color. So you can see the white color borders here. So this is how it looks like. Now, if you want to do any kind of a formatting, like the value formatting, you can clearly see here it is showing you has 145K, but in the sale it is showing you 1 million. So you just need to click on this and then you just need to move to call out value, scroll a bit down, expand this, and you can change the color also if you like this. And if you want to change only for sum of sales, drop down this and select sum of sales and change it this display unit into thousands. So first step is done. Now coming to the next, you just need to click back to all. And if you want to align it in center like this, you can align it. And the labels also, you can just change the color, expand this label, change this color to white, and you can just align it in center and you can increase the font size like this. Once after doing this, now if you want to add image, inside this callout, you can see image here. Just you need to expand this on it first, then expand this image, click on browse, and you can select whichever the image you want. Now, for example, this is my sales. I need sales different icon. So I'm just selecting sum of sales, clicking on browse and selecting this sales. It will show you like this. The same thing if you want to add in profit, you can just drop down and select the profit and then browse the image and you can select the image here, profit logo. It will show you here. The same thing applies for this also. The quantity, just drop down this and select the quantity and click on browse and you can add quantity here and click OK. So once you have done, it will show you like this. So this is how you can use it. Now, if you need a corner, the border should be round, the shape of this. You just need to select this, go to cards, and here you have a shape and you can just use rounded shape here. Automatically, it will show you. But in case if you need a borders also, you can add it. For example, let me just add more. See, you can add it in this way. In this format, it will show you. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, you can just ping me in the comment box. And if you have any latest informations or if you're facing any kind of a challenges, please do let me know. I'll help you out in this. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.